Good morning, welcome to Buncryp Bitcoin daily analysis and hot issues. So we are going to replace it with Bitcoin news updates and analysis. So we will now be handling Bitcoin daily analysis and hot issues. So the main aim of this is because we know and we observe that what we want is for we to know the best coin to be in, and also to know which one that will be of very important value to us, so that we can be able to make good use of that. Now, for those of us who are trading futures markets, we have those who are trading future markets, we have day traders in Bitcoin. We'll be doing this daily analysis to be able to guide you so that you will know important places to watch on while you are placing your positions. So having that in mind, let us take a good look at of what we are expecting from Bitcoin today. If you look at my chart, you will notice marked positions in my chart. So these marked positions is where we are watching or anticipating some kind of price movement from a Bitcoin. So when you look at it, you can see that we have been able to pinpoint important zones for you to watch. So the main aim of this daily analysis is to guide you, to give you hindsight on institutional position or smart money position. So we do not tell you how to trade or tell you position to be able to place your trade, but we want to use this to give you areas or zones you should keep your eyes on, whether you are long or short, because we believe that these zones are going to see price reversal or heavy price reaction. These are the two possibilities we always expect in these zones, and as we always say, it comes to pass. So before my chart here, this is we are using a 4-hour time frame. So you can see that currently Bitcoin is at 48,103 USD. So it's trading within the zone of 48,309 USD. So as we are speaking now, it is currently has tested this institutional position, which is 48,180 USD. So at this zone in which we are seeing it now, we are anticipating for it to come and test this 47,398 zone, that is 47,398 zone. So that is where we are anticipating for it to come and test. So if you are short in this position, try and watch to be able to take your profits at this zone, because we are anticipating a reversal from this zone to this zone and then to this zone. So this is how we are anticipating or projecting the price movement. So currently we'll be expecting it to close or move down to this point today. This is the zone we are expecting it to hold. Then next we are expecting it to move from this zone to this 49,585 dollar zone. So while we are anticipating reversal from those zones, sometimes I'm wrong, but in most cases I'm right. So but one thing you should know is that we are going to see a heavy price or a good price reaction in these zones, and we are going to see price reversals in this zone. Nothing is 100% guaranteed in the financial market. So if we were able to bounce off from this 47398 zone, we are expecting our next pullback zone to be at this $49,585 zone. Once it pulls back from that zone, we are expecting it to, and we are now expecting it to run through this 47398 zone. Then we are expecting it to move further down to $44,000 zone, the zone I talked about, or I mentioned last week Buncryp weekly update. Then another important thing we need to take note of while we are in this trading is what our this thing is telling us, our open interest is showing. So I might not go into the details of explaining what open interest is all about completely, but to give you a clue or a guide, open interest is mainly the number of non-executed contracts, contracts that are still waiting to be executed. So for a contract to be executed, it needs to have two positions, that is a buyer and a seller. So we use that to check and measure what the big guys are doing in the market. So if we watch currently using a 12 hours time frame, if you watch my charts here, you can see Bitcoin moving up. So we can notice something that is happening. So what is that? We can notice if you watch this direction now, you see that Bitcoin is moving up at an uptrend. But from that point in time, this is what we call an uptrend, that is a series of higher high and lower low. So what there is something we notice, you see that the open interest is what gradually declining, or said to not to be making an appreciable increase. It's gradually declining. So you see that it's almost flat, although you can see a little bit movement from this point to this point, but we are not seeing it breaking this point. So we're not seeing breaking this point. You see that it's stopped at this level. So we are not seeing it breaking this point, and currently is moving down. So what is it trying to tell you? It's trying to tell you that this move we are seeing currently is not a strong move. It's a weak move. In essence, it means we might be seeing a total reversal at that zone, which I said last week. So if you have not watched that video, go to our videos. You will see the video there. That is Bitcoin weekly update. Is Bitcoin about to crash? You see the video there. Please, we are encouraged to watch that video so that you can be able to get a better information about that. So in this vein, considering the data of open interest and what we are seeing, we will now rightly say that the trend is weak, is not moving very well. So even the buy sell volume, if you watch the buy sell volume, you see that it is weak also. So you see that these things are pointing out that this current move is very, very weak. So if that is so, we need to be careful. For those of us who are celebrating that we are up, we might not be seeing that aggressive rally right now. So we need to be careful at that point. So that is that for Bitcoin daily analysis. So we will now talk about some hot issues in which we have. So the purpose of talking about these hot issues is that we notice that some people like to trade what we call some people like to trade the rumor. Like according to one popular investor, I think it's Philip Bishop, so say that you should buy the rumor, sell the fear, or whatever. Buy the fear, sell the rumor, or whatever. I've forgotten how I put it. But the point there is fundamental analysis, or in other words, sentimental analysis, has been of an immense help in terms of predicting price movement, and news and updates, that is relevant updates, has also played role in this high price volatility and increase. The typical example is when Chinese government cracked down on Bitcoin. So with that event, we saw complete capitulation of Bitcoin. So this morning we will go ahead without spending much time to list top coins that have a significant upcoming news and time and date. So if you are one of those who trade news, or who know how to trade news, and who want to exploit these conditions to be able to take positions and make profit from it, we will list those events. Then we have bonus points which we will give you. That is, at the end of this video, we will list our top picks for this week and middle of next week, and we'll tell you the price which they are trading on currently. Then you now make your choice from there. So the first one we are going to talk about is Atom. We will not go into detail of explaining the fundamentals or whatever. The one we just want to show you guys is that of Atom, which is Cosmos actually. So this one you can see Atom. So Atom have a very important aggressive news. So is one of our top picks. So this is the website of Atom. So staking derivatives and halving. So in 30th of this month precisely, we are expecting Atom to launch their staking derivatives, which if any protocol launches staking derivatives, it mops up supply and increases the price. So apart from that, staking derivative, December 1st of this year, we are expecting halving also in Atom in terms of reward. So with that, what is going to happen. So the next one is Swipe. We're going to talk about Swipe. So the next one is Swipe. So Swipe is going to burn. We're expecting burning of Swipe, and there's Tilt release 30th of this month. Very massive aggressive news. So 30th of this month, we're expecting a burning of Swipe, and there's Tilt release. Then the next one we're going to talk about is Avalanche coin. So Avalanche is going to do an upgrade. The upgrade they're going to do is Apricot upgrade, and this Apricot upgrade is going to take place 30th of September. So 30th of this month. So that is what we are expecting from Avalanche. So Apricot upgrade. So this Apricot upgrade is very important, and it's going to affect Avalanche's price volatility. So we are expecting the price of Avalanche to pump based on this news. So we're not asking you to buy Avalanche, and that are we asking you not to buy. So but you know what to do with the information we are providing to you. So our main aim is to give you well-informed information, and it is up to you to make your own decision. So whether you do nothing or you do something, you have already made a decision. So what are you willing or going to do? Remember, no risk, no gain. So it's up to you to make the choice. So another important upgrade, another update is a Reef. So we are expecting a Reef debit card. Reef debit card is going to come out. Reef, that is REEF. So in the description, I'm going to list these coins and the upgrade they are going to do, so you will not be confused. So a Reef upgrade, debit card upgrade, and that will take place 30th of this month. Then for those who are into shitcoins, which I'm not into shitcoin, Safemoon is going to launch their long-awaited wallet. It's great news for them. Their long-awaited wallet. So Safemoon is going to launch it on September this month. I mean to say on 30th. Okay, 1st of September. Sorry, 1st of September. So Safemoon is going to launch their wallet. And the second one is Alonzo's hard fork. This is the biggest news making wave in the whole internet. Alonzo's hard fork, and based on that, we did a brief technical analysis on ADA, that is Cardano. So if you have Cardano, hold up till 12th of September. If you don't have Cardano, you might want to buy, but if you're buying now, you're buying at a very high risk. So but we might see a little bit pullback. So but we gave a particular position which we are expecting for it to pull back to 4. We to take our own position, that is Buncryp Academy. So if it comes to our zone, we buy it aggressively. If it doesn't come to our zone, we wait for the hype, then we now take our positions. We don't buy into hype, rather we take our position or buy before the hype. So we're expecting Alonzo's hard fork on 12th of September. Then Kava, that is another big news. Watch out for this one, guys. Kava is launching their mainnet on 30th also. So it seems like this 30th has so many things upcoming. So another one is 10 cents. I have to spell it out for you guys to see. Another one is 10 sets. So 10 sets is a gaming platform. So they are launching NFT and so many other things on September 15th of this month. So if you want to know more about it, you can just Google it out and find out more upgrade from 10 sets. Then we have Ravencoin. We have Ravencoin. Ravencoin have updates they are going to do. Ravencoin own update is halving block. They are going to do their halving, which will start on 31st. I think 31st January. That's far. 31st January. Then we have the important news. Another important news, which is Terra. Terra, also known as Luna, is going to do what we call Columbus 5 launch, which will be on the 9th of September. So these are the hit with very significant news that we are expecting this coming week, September 30th and beyond. So don't turn blind eyes to this news. This news, as I'm speaking to you, are going to cause price explosion. I'm not mincing words saying it. They are going to cause serious price explosion, depending on the position of BTC, if it's going to continue the bullish up run or whether it's going to capitulate before that time. So but if we didn't hit the zone I was mentioning in my last video, then we are going to see a serious price explosion. So based on this news, we have our top picks for this week. Buncryp Academy, we have our top picks for this week. We're not asking you to buy them, but it's just our top picks. So note, top picks, not asking you to buy, but our top picks. So we have top picks for this week. So we want you to watch out for this coin this week and possibly next week. Atom, Swipe, Kava, and Luna. We want you to watch out for this coin this week. So Atom, as of the time of recording this broadcast, is trading at 19 USD, while Kava is trading at 8 USD, Swipe is trading at 4 USD, and Luna is trading at 30 USD. So I have to make it so that you guys will know So today is what's today's date? Let me check and see so that I will get to know more. So today is Wednesday, August 25. So these are our topics. So that's that for now. Be good, happy trading. So please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please go to the description below, click the subscribe button, also click the notification button. Then we are a branch of Buncryp P2P single exchange in Nigeria. We buy and sell Bitcoin both in bulk and in small quantity, but we focus mainly on bulk demand. So if you have anybody who wants to sell his or her Bitcoin, or want to buy Bitcoin, or these coins we are mentioning, if you want to make any purchase of them, feel free to contact us. We can help you in making purchases of them. So that is that for now. Be good, have a nice day.